When I was younger, I loved watching the Rockford Files. And I spent, I don't know, several months when I was like 14, 15 looking for a Firebird. And they just weren't around. And I ended up with a 71 Camaro. And I love that car and I still have it. And it's been like 30 years. But with my health and other problems I've had, my wife said I could get my Firebird. And so my next project is a 78 Firebird, and it needs a lot. And I'm going to try and make it into a Rockford Files clone, and hopefully I can get the gold looking right. She needs virtually everything. You can kind of tell. Lots and lots of work. And unfortunately the motor in it is shot. It actually broken kind of apart. So there's no starter, bolts, no nothing. And I need to do the interior, weld some panels. It's a big project. And to make things worse, it's like 90s right now. So I've been dying of heat. Lots of wasps have been living in it. And unfortunately, I want to get this done by September. So I got about 2 months to try to get this thing done. And unfortunately with my health, I've been going very slow. I've worked most of this week trying to get that bumper off. I still got 2 more bolt nut things to get off. So wish me well, and hopefully we'll have a fun series on this Firebird build.